I'm Colin Way. My role at Axminster Tools is tutor, teacher, media presenter, anything to do with wood turning basically. Okay, so I've been into woodworking, wood turning really for 40 years now. So I started at the age of 12, work experience. I then went on to being an apprentice production wood turner. And then 26 years ago, I came to Axminster Tools to start their tutoring. And that's what I've been doing all my life. So 40 years altogether.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I've worked for Axminster since 1992, so that's 31 years. I'm a product manager and I look after product from sourcing, introduction and then right through its life cycle. So when I was working in the joinery shop, I was approached to do some demonstrations by Bernie Styles, who knew me from numerous trips into the shop buying tools. So I was asked to demonstrate a fret saw for the second Axminster show that there ever was. I went along to that show, did the demonstrations, then ended up going to Wembley to do some more demonstrations for Axminster. And you could say that was my job interview, because soon afterwards I was offered a job working in the shop, and it just seemed the right thing to do. And so the rest is history, as they say. So my passion for woodworking continued working with Axminster, and it's almost like the perfect job. Looking at tools every day, testing tools, seeing what fits the market, talking to customers, talking to other people. It's just part of who I am.
I've seen a lot of changes and have been right at the front line of being able to develop chucks, centres, even the types of lathes we sell. And that's down to the fact that we are in the industry, so we're woodworkers and wood turners foremost. And that experience then is able to be looked at when we're developing things.
I'm Charlie and I've worked for Axminster Tools for 16 years. My role at Axminster Tools is buying and product manager, and I'm responsible for a team of people that all maintain and look after our products and our supply chain. Axminster Tools works really hard to grow and develop its people from within, and that brings lots of benefits. But one of the key benefits for me is that those individuals can really understand those day-to-day challenges and can find ways to continually improve. Equally, the business is able to mould and adapt its people based on its strategy and culture.
So I've worked probably in nearly every department within the business. Originally when I started here it was a very small team, and you can imagine how Axminster's grown over the years. But way back when I started in the shop, serving the customers face to face, as well as putting deliveries away, picking orders.
I think there are lots of reasons why people choose to stay with Axminster Tools for such a long time. Not only can they be involved in the running of a great business, and if they've got that mindset to continually develop themselves, they'll be supported in doing so. Ultimately, for anyone that wants to constantly develop themselves, Axminster Tools is a great place to work.
My name's Anthony Jempson. I've been with Axminster Tools now for 15 years, and my current role is as a technical consultant within the business-to-business team, or known as B2B. We offer a bespoke service of visiting those customers for no charge, working with them directly to understand their needs of their business and how we can support them with making their business a success as well.
So the workshop here is a shared makerspace. We've got various small businesses all sharing the tools. So we started using Axminster as we were setting the workshop up. We needed a few new machines and got in touch and said, right, I'll come down, have a look at your workshop, see what your requirements are, and then we go from there.
We will always look to find solutions for customers, so they may contact us, not necessarily know exactly what they need, but we'll ask them to talk us through their issue, product, with a product or what they're looking to achieve, and then we'll do our best to find the right solution that works for them in their business.
Just having a phone call, having a phone number, someone that we can just ring up and say, hey, we need this, or maybe this isn't working, or do you have a suggestion for that? It's really easy for me to find solutions and and keep my business sort of running and have quick and easy suggestions for something that's going to work for us.
As far as the experience in store from our customers, I would hope a positive one. We always look to get you the right product, so if you're coming into us, we can show you what we've got available. We're always happy to get you the right thing. We're always looking to give you best advice about products. We ourselves try to be as passionate about woodworking as our customers are. What would you get from us that's different from everybody else? Our passion behind our products, our experience, our knowledge, the quality of the products, the ability to get hands-on with everything that we've got in the store here, even to the point that if I'm able, we'll turn a machine on for you. You can have a go with something. Yeah, just our belief in our products and our passion.
Well, we work with education in various ways. So I'm at a secondary school level where we're just giving them that insight into woodworking. And when we've done that, we've seen some really nice stories of where, for various reasons that child might be struggling, and actually when they get their hands-on experience, that they're a different child, and the teachers tell us that sort of thing. So more at college level, we work with various colleges where they need that additional tuition, maybe in wood turning, carving, obviously in supplying and demonstrating tools. We're passionate about providing tools and passionate about the industry, and we want to supply passionate makers. We do believe there's a huge future for people making, and with our links with industry and colleges and these organisations and schools, we're sort of helping map out a journey for someone's career or hobby going forward.
We share your passion. It's not just something we say.
Woodworking runs through our veins. The craft, our people, and our customers are at the heart of everything we do.